Hey friends, me Anshka. Welcome back to my channel High Tech Zone. Now here we're making creative web designing. So first like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start making website by using HTML coding. Here we're using the basic format of HTML again. That is HTML then head close, then body starts. So in head we're taking the image and ref style sheet. Now head close and body start. Here we take a comment start header and table id header border 0 width 120 cell padding 0 cell spacing 0 and bg color. Here we take a code. If you want to take a color name, there also we take a color name. Okay, so in that we take a table td and tr. td is a table column and tr is a table row. So in TD, here we take again a table. Table border 1, width 85, cell padding 15 and cell spacing 0 and align center. In T body and TR, then TD start, align center, we align middle, and here we take a font face Arial and color we take code again and size 5. Here we span class layer where we take image like here we're making a website, my own website. Again, if you want to take any website like hotel management, school website, here we're making my own website, Anshka Sani, font close. Then TD start. Here we take image. There we take a 5 image and using attributes. Here we take a about. Then here we take service, then testimonials, then achievements and content number. Here we take 5 things only. The next table close and tr close and t body close. Then again we take a comment that here and header means headers end. And now start home. Here we take a start home. The table id header border 1 with 120 and cell spacing and cell padding is 0 and bg color we take code. Then again we take a table, cell spacing, cell padding, according to your size you can take it, and align center. Here we again take a font face and here we take comments like hey I am Anshika and now front font close. Here we take heading. H1, H2, H3 is all our headings. So here TD close, TR close, then table close. So now end home, then end start about. Now start about. Table ID, header border 1 width 120, cell padding 0 and cell spacing 0 and BG color is also here we taking code. Now table border, width, cell padding, cell spacing and align center. Heading is start. Then here we take all call span or font face. Next. Here we also ending heading. Okay, here we again take a comment in that. Okay, so here we take image. Image src sentence is using for the put the image in that, and font face. And again we taking H2 and H2 close. Here we taking I am a website programmer. Me Anshika. Here we take you take any paragraphs to write your own views. And an NBFC is used for empathy in that. And end about. Now start service. Start service, here we take table again, border 0, width 85, cell padding and cell spacing. Cell padding is 15 and cell spacing is 0 and align center. Now start heading again we take in that comment. Here we take again table, row. Okay, here we take that is services. So conciliation and investigation, first service, second service, drafting and designing, and third service, constructive management. Now start testimonials. Taking LI in testimonials. Li means list. Here we're taking list because in points that all are comes. You write any your views, what is as testimonials and your achievement in testimonials. So here testimonial close, then achievement start. So in achievements, here we're taking Li again to writing the views and image also taken. Answer spelling, cell passing, border, aligns, again we using. Okay, then start content. In content, we are taking table border, height, font face, HR. Then again we taking comment in that. Table border, cell spacing and font face Arial and size 4 and color. Here we taking code. Font face close, then TD close. Okay, come next. Here we taking a message box, email box, name and submit box. Here we taking a submit box to click the submit and submit your email. Okay, so let's see. Now call span 3 and here all the process end. The comment end and content end. Now body close and HTML close. So now coding end. So let's see the output of the program. That's output. Hey, I'm Anshika and about us, services, testimonials, achievement, content number. I'm website programmer. About me. Okay, let's see about me. That's I'm taking I am a website programmer and that's para and image. And services here we're taking 3: constellation and investigation, drafting and design and construction management. Now testimonials, here we're taking a Li. Li is represented in that way. So achievement here we're taking an image and Li. And content, name, email, message and thanks for watching my channel.